bag. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one is the UNGER Eyeglasses frame K215 brown 53-18-140-36V with the case. This is new and authentic. So yeah, I got this out of eBay for $22.99, free shipping plus tax. Total is $25 out the door. So this is the second pair that I got for my wife. Since she liked the brand so much, let's go ahead and unbox it. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. So here's the product description right here, and then the amount that I pay. It's a nice hard case. And you have the velvet on the top, also on the bottom. So this is special eyeglasses. And this is the brown color, glossy brown. It says demo lenses only. UNGER, New York. And you have this spring hinges. Sparkling arms right here. This one, this side is wrapped around with a plastic bag. It's a fillable screw. The frame is made in China. And you have this rubberized clear nose guard nose piece. And there's a Philip screw. And right here on the bottom, right here, there's like a Phillips screw for the lens, so you can put your prescription in there. Wow. And now another one on this side. So this is just like a plastic lens. It doesn't pop. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always.